Right. Back again. How to make YouTube shorts from YouTube and using Chat GPT. Check out my title. This is how you're gonna make it fast. Y'all already see the prompts that we're gonna be using. So take and copy them or whatever you need to do. And let's get into it. All right. Let's minimize this string. Let's go ahead and this. All right, so I got it on right now. I got it on a YouTube for YouTube's I made, and I'm gonna take and grab his transcript. But first, I want you to see something. So when you're looking at a YouTube, let's minimize this. All right, so when you're looking at a YouTube, you're looking at everything like the subscribe, looking at how many subscribers. I don't got that many, you see that? I just started, so y'all remember, man, hey, give me some likes. Hit that subscribe button, tell your friends and everything, man. I'm just starting and I'm trying to get it right. But anyway, you see how I hit that show more, show less? Look at her, show more. So you get all this other stuff in there. But let's go to this next thing, the 3 dots. Boom, show transcripts. Look at it, you got your downloads, all this stuff. Let's give it a thumbs up. Yep. Boom. Comments. Don't forget to leave a comment. Okay. Boom. So let's go grab this transcript, man. It's right here. So what it's going to do is going to give you the transcript. If I want to summarize my transcript, right there. See that? Chat GPT. But anyway, let's grab this transcript right quick. It's real short. And I'm going to go over here. Let's open up this one. And I'm going to just simply, this is Google Docs. I'm going to drop this transcript in Google Docs. If y'all don't know nothing about Google Docs and all that stuff, leave a comment below and I'll explain it to you. Anyway, this thing running slow, man. Come on, baby. Only thing I want to do is just land the transcript right in here so we can make sure that everything is all right, because you're going to be dropping this in a Chat GPT. Paste it in here. CD times down and get them out of the way. Wait. Get this one out of the way. That's the transcript right there. Sure, everything is there. It's a little time consuming. However, it pays off. All right, so yeah. That's a capital A. All right. All right, let's copy this and we're going to hold up. Let's get the prompt with it. So here's the prompt. We're going to move this out of the way. Let's read what the prompt says first. Please disregard any previous instructions. and focus solely on the following prompt. I want you to analyze the above YouTube script, gotta read it, and come up with 3 short, interesting scripts. Each must be written with the same subject matter, but more interesting, funny, and attention-grabbing. Please acknowledge receipt of the command. This is what we're gonna put over, underneath there. So I'm gonna copy this, and I'm just gonna scroll down here, and I'm gonna put it underneath the training. Look, you can make it look pretty and all that stuff or whatever you want to, if you want to. But I'm gonna just, for time's sake, I'm grabbing this thing, I'm gonna copy, and I'm gonna go to Chat GPT, and I'm gonna throw it off in Chat GPT. All right. Hey man, if y'all learning anything from this content, leave a comment below, man. I'm gonna paste that in there. Let's get this away from the text that please disregard. So I'm gonna simply hit the space bar. All right, we're gonna send it off. Boom, get in there. What we got? Boom, acknowledge. See that? What? Unleash the power. Okay. Self-care never has been this fun. Okay. Self-care routine. Okay, you see? Wow. So this is like a little brief synopsis of it. And let's go back and we'll grab that other piece of that prompt. This is a 2-piece prompt. So let's go back and grab this other piece of the prompt. This piece right here. Can you write a complete YouTube script for any text? You can read this thing. Let's go over here and paste this. Now I'm gonna have to change up some stuff right here. Look, read how this thing is. And I'm sorry, man. Like I said, I'm new to this thing. Let me read this thing to you. Can you write a complete YouTube script for any text? Okay, so the text is one of those. We're gonna choose it. We're gonna change this up right quick. Okay, writers for we're gonna say number, and we'll choose it when we get over there, right? Whatever number it is. Also, don't forget to insert my call to action, and I'll put it in brackets. And if you find any content helpful and informative, please hit the like button and share our videos with your friends. And let me put family too. And then I tell them, hey, look, my YouTube channel is Beyond AI Solutions, and your host will be ChatGpt-3. Yeah, check him out. He coming out. Yo, check him out. Let's get. Oh man, I didn't expect that. Come on. All right, let's take and copy this thing. Go back to ChatGPT. All right. So we got to pick which one we want. Okay, for time's sake, I'm just gonna grab this one. We're gonna say script 3, right? Number 3. We'll say script. We just put script. Take the number out of there. See, because you can do this. Hey, you can prompt engineer all you want to, man. For let's run it and see. That's that Quill bot, man. He picks everything. All right, now let's run it. See what he do. There you go. Look at it. That's nice, ain't it? Look at that. Hey, welcome back, Beyond AI Solutions. Hey. And you can read it, you can tweak it, you can do whatever you want to with it. You see it. It's right there. Right there, man. It's right. Look at her. Look at it even. Oh man, listen. If you want me to, I'll show you how to take this thing and turn it alive, make it alive. You see my little avatars that be doing their thing? Yeah, I'll show you how to do that. Leave a comment below. Say, hey, man, show me that thing, man. Because listen, with this, you can brand yourself. That's right. Brand yourself. Make money, man. Come on. Hey, I'm going to get out of here. Subscribe. Leave a comment below. Hit that like button. Hey, I love y'all guys, man. I appreciate y'all watching. Hey, I'm out of here, man. I know this thing a little long, but hey, watch the whole thing. I love y'all. Peace. Beyond AI Solution.